You're going to learn VBA. This will help students or teachers grade their scores themselves, or even lecturers grade their students' scores with VBA. First, we're going to open VBA from the developer tab. All right, so my developer tab is already clicked. So we'll click on Visual Basic. Before we click on it, as you can see, this course, I have the text, exam, and total, and grades. All right, so 70 to 100, which is A, 60 to 69, which is B, 50 to 59, which is C, 45 to 49, D, and so forth. So it depends on how the grading works in your school or in your country. All right, so head let's head over to it, or let's get to it. So first, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to click on Start and click on module, but I already have my module clicked. All right, so I will start. So type sub, I choose to call it grades. I have um a non-functioning R, so I like opening my laptop keyboard to help me type. Hope you don't mind. So I'll say grades, close with my brackets, and click enter. So when you click enter, your end sub appears itself. You really do not need to do anything to get it working. So dim, remember that I'm looking at my total. Right, this is where my total scores are. So we want to use the word total. So you can use whatever term that you like as bytes. So then I want a cell activated. So by activating the cell, the next cell which you want the answers to be in, I'll use active cell dot offset to ask a cell to help me get to the next cell, which is -1. All right. After that, say dot value, after which you can now use the select case statement. Select case total, right? So I'll say case. Remember, 70 to 100 is our first um, choice for A, for students that have A. So I'm saying is equal to A. All right. So we can just copy quickly so we don't waste time. So we can change this to 60 to 69 as our choice for B, or the choice, depending on how it works for you. Then 50 to 59, which is B. Sorry, C. All right. Then we're looking at 45 to 49, which is D. We're looking at 40 to 44, which is an E, right? So anything below that should be an F, below 44. So we can say case else F. So before ending the select statements, I like to arrange my code neatly. So I like to use the tab to make it well arranged. I like it appearing very neat. So it makes it kind of readable. Alright. So this is it. This is the code, this is the final code. We can run it. Seems we're in the wrong cell. So yes, we're in the wrong cell because I used active cell offset -1. So being the wrong cell will give us a wrong code. Alright, so we want to actually give this code um give it a shortcut key. I can choose to do Shift W. Why I'm using the shift is in case Excel has assigned the shortcut key you want to use. It's best to use Shift. All right. You say OK and then run. So each time I can call Control Shift W and I'll have uh, my I'll have it give me the answer, right? I can do that for all of them in a swoop and we have our results. So with this, we've been able to grade the scores with this condition or logic. All right, so that's all that for VBA or grading with VBA. So bye bye. See you on the next one.